My name's John Treasure. I'm the College Business Manager for John Spendluffe Technology College and have been for the last 12.5 years. We've got 635 pupils on roll and we're situated in the centre of Alford. We are a non-selective school. We've got almost 100 years of experience behind us. Many of our buildings are approaching 100 years old, but in recent years we have invested heavily in our site and have seen many new builds around it within the last decade since we became an academy. I think any business will face fire safety challenges, and we as a school are no different. We've got 750 staff and students on site each day, manoeuvring around the site. A number of issues are things like heavy fire doors as students move from area to area. We've encountered some issues recently with hot days, and again it being too warm in classrooms. Obviously propping those open means that we get better ventilation. There's also the issue over people manoeuvring around site with mobility issues. And again how they're impacted as a result of the fire doors as well. We overcome these challenges by installing Freedor Dorgard SmartSound solutions on parts of our site. These are really easy to fit, they're battery operated, and they give us a simple legal solution to holding the fire doors open. When the fire alarm sounds, they automatically close the fire doors, meaning that we keep our fire safety compliance. These door guards and free doors mean that we can legally leave corridor and classroom doors open to increase air circulation and enable easy movement around the school site.